What's up, Flummies? My name is Breann, and today I'm going to be showing you the Around the World Handoff. So, two prerequisites for this move are going to be your Around the World and your reverse Around the World. You're going to want to be very comfortable with that in both your dominant hand and your non-dominant hand. Let's go ahead and break down the Around the World Handoff. So you're going to start with your non-dominant hand across from your body, just like you're doing in Around the World, and bring it up, doing those backwards vertical 8s. Stop at the top of your head, and that's when you're going to bring in your second arm to bring in that handoff with your non-dominant hand. There's a bunny. So let's go ahead and do that again. Start across from your body, give those 2 backwards vertical 8s like you're doing in Around the World, and stop up here. Then you're going to bring in your other hand and go into the handoff, which looks just like this. Your hand position is going to be with your fingertips facing downwards towards your face, your thumb facing up, and that's how you're going to keep it on the same color so you don't give a color switch when you do the handoff. So again, start across from your body, give those 2 backwards vertical 8s, go up at the top. Fingertips are going to be facing you, facing downwards just like this, and this is how you're going to grip your star to give that handoff. Then fling it back into another vertical figure 8, scoop it down, and if you want to do another handoff down at the bottom, that's when you'll be able to grab it there. So you can do 2 handoffs with this trick, one at the top, one at the bottom. So let's go ahead and break that down again. Non-dominant hand across from your body, give those 2 backwards vertical 8s, grip your star with your fingertips facing you downwards like this, and then swing it over into that forward vertical 8 to get it to scoop back down. Handoff, forward vertical 8, scoop back down, and that's where you can do that second grab, just like you're doing a normal Around the World. You're going to grab it with your non-dominant hand, and it's going to start at that original positioning back across from your body, and that's where you can get it to go around the world. And let me go ahead and show you on the other side. So I've got my dominant hand going in that backwards vertical figure 8. We're going to stop it up here, grip it, the star up at the top with your fingertips facing you, facing downwards, and scoop into that forward vertical figure 8 till you're back down in front of you. Just like your normal Around the World, the same counts. It's really windy right now. But it's got the same counts as your Around the World, and you're just switching your arms on the second beat and the 4th beat. So let me break it down into counts for you. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just like that. That is the Around the World Handoff. Thanks for watching this tutorial. Make sure you comment and let us know what other tricks you'd like to see. And as always, happy flowing. Thanks for being a part of our Flowstar family.